Hello, my young developers. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel, Digitalize the World. In today's lesson, we will be learning how to make the size big and small of your characters. So let's start with the first character. This is your first animal, and I want to make this elephant in a bigger size. We click on the looks, and we have a block here, which is grow. Right now, we don't want to grow our elephant size. We want to shrink it. I'll drag my block, and right here, it's written 2. I will click on it and type 1 here because I want to shrink the size of my first element, my first elephant, 1 by 1. Look at that. This elephant is far away. So I want to make the size like that and put that next to the tree, just like that. Let's go to the next elephant and make the size shrink of the second elephant. Now this is the second elephant. Sports, so that we can just identify. And let's put this, that this is the second elephant. Okay, this is the second elephant. All right, so let's make the size of the second elephant a little small. 1, 2, 3. This is the baby elephant. This is the mother elephant. Let's make the size a little small for the mother elephant, like that. See, this is your mother elephant standing here, and this is your baby elephant next to her mom. So that's how we make the size shrink, right? If you want to make the size bigger, how you will do it? Let's go to the first element. In the first elephant, let's say I want to make the size of this elephant a little bigger. I'll drag my grow block, and here I'll type 1, and I will just grow the size gradually, just like that. Now this elephant size got bigger now. Let's place it here. So in this lesson, what we have learned how to change the size of your characters. You can change the size by growing them or making them shrink as well. In the next lesson, we will be learning how to add the text block and how to make your characters hide and show. Till then, take care. Bye.